let's jump to it. First, I'm gonna prime with Fenty Beauty primer right here, and we're just gonna put it all over our face, and we're gonna make sure that we get a nice and even layer all across the skin. Ugh. Next, we're gonna go in with foundation. We're gonna put a few pumps, and we're just gonna spread that all over our face, and then we're gonna blend that out. I need to put a mirror in front of me. Now this foundation oxidizes, as I have mentioned, so if it looks a little bit out of my color, just know that I am aware, and also this will oxidize. So thank you for your concern, but yeah. Next, we're going to do our eyebrows, so we're gonna go ahead with the Brow Gal pencil. And what I like to do first is I like to brush the eyebrows up as much as I possibly can. I will draw a line. Then I will brush the hairs down and line the top of my eyebrow. I will draw a bit of an arc, and obviously you can always go ahead and clean up. So don't worry about that. I'll always go ahead and draw a little bit of an arc, and then I will start sort of shading in. I'm just gonna brush the hairs up. When I get to the end right here, or the beginning of my eyebrow, I will then softly draw hair-like strokes. And again, I will clean up, okay? So I'm gonna grab a flat brush and some concealer. And clean that out, carve that brow out. And boom, eyebrow en flic. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do this eyebrow off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I already went ahead and I primed my eyes using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. I like to use a shade that's a little bit, like a couple shades lighter than me, just so that the color really pops out. Alright, so I went ahead and I did one eye off camera, and now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this eye. So using the BH Cosmetics blush neutrals, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use this color right here mixed with this color, and we're gonna focus that on the outer corner. And we're just gonna we're gonna drag it out a little. Then we're gonna go ahead with this color right here. Again, let's remember to drag that out just a bit though, like we don't want it to be anything too crazy. Then we're gonna go ahead with this color right here, and we're gonna mix that with some of that. So now I'm gonna go with a Butter London Glazing Eye Gloss in shade Unicorn. Comes like this, and it's like a little gel. It's so bouncy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a packing brush, and I'm just going to sort of cut a half crease with that. After that, I'm gonna go back to my brush, back to the last two shades, and sort of ensure that that outer corner is deep enough, matching the other side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to do my eyeliner. You have to like not breathe when you do this. And then I'm going to outline the top of the eyeliner with the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off eyeliners in the shade Half Mermaid. Now I'm gonna go in with some Huda lashes in the style Samantha. While that dries, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. Alright guys, so lashes are on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to conceal and finish the rest of my face. Alright, so I'm grabbing the Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright and the Age Rewind. Gonna go ahead and we're gonna set the under eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead with my favorite new bronzer contour that I'm using. It's from The Balm, and it is a powder foundation, but I discovered it and used it for contour, and it's amazing. Gonna go ahead and I'm going to make that contour a bit. Make it so much sharper. I am now going to grab this blush from Makeup Forever. I'm not quite sure the name of the shade, so please don't get mad at me. Just the perfect like peachy pink color. I'm sorry, I really don't know what the name of it is. I'm gonna grab a smaller contour brush and I'm going to contour my nose. Now I have another product from Butter London and it is the highlighting gel, and it's really like a cream. So I'm gonna grab this and first gonna be very gentle about it. Ooh. That's pretty. It does dry out a little bit quick, like a little bit fast. Now that we are glazing like a donut, we're going to do a little bit of color under our eyes, and we shall be done. We're going to apply mascara on our bottom lashes. This is also something that you like can't breathe for. We're gonna grab what we used to highlight and we're going to highlight our brow bone and the inner corner. I'm just adding a little bit of this sort of coppery color from Makeup Forever, from this little trio I have. So this is the final look. It's really nice, a very glittery look. Super cute. But because I'm really extra, I think that I'm just gonna add some pizzazz to this. So for lips, I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever in 105. And on top of that, I'm gonna use this Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in SPL, I believe. It's a little sample from Urban Decay. So guys, this is the final look. And this is a little festival-y and a little glam, I guess. not like an everyday sort of look. Maybe the eyeshadow and that kind of stuff, you know, is very simple and nothing too crazy, but I thought I would like give it a little bit of pizzazz with some of these sparkles, and I honestly think that it came out really beautiful. Thank you guys for watching, and what do I always say? If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, or if you have any ideas that you'd like for me to do, then leave a comment in the description down below. You can also message me at any of my social medias, which are linked down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that share button, and turn on the post notifications once you do subscribe if you'd like to know every time that I post. I hope that you guys are having a beautiful day wherever you are, and stay blessed. Bye.